Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm looking at US Steel. US Steel has been pretty good winner over the past year or so. I had sold some covered calls on it, so I wasn't sure how much higher it would go. Last week I had to roll those calls out. So, because the stock price kept going higher and higher, and this is why. Okay, the indicator went positive for everything. MACD, stochastic, moving average, everything is positive. So we expect the stock to move higher in the next week. I won't be selling any more covered calls, but I might be selling some puts on this. So stay tuned for that. And I'll have to I rolled those covered calls out a month. I did a diagonal. I rolled them up and out. And I still got some premium. And I still have a lot of profit potential on that stock. You can go back and look at my TradeStation video for US Steel. It's up about 150% from where I bought it, so that's pretty good. So this next week, if I make a play in US Steel, it's going to be on the positive. I'll be selling a put and no calls probably, unless these indicators change. All right, guys, tell me in the comments below if you like the way this new video format. Okay, this is a widescreen, full motion video on the desktop. It's a little bit different than my mobile stuff that I do every day on my trading. It's a little harder to do on the desktop. I'm just still learning the software, and doing a mobile is a lot easier. It's a lot easier for me to do trading. I can do it pretty much anywhere if I'm out doing stuff. Plus, desktop apps are sometimes harder to use. So just let me know in the comments below if you guys like this format. I'll do a setup trade like this. This is the weekend. And then I'll go into the trades during the week. And there shouldn't be that much movement. If there is, I mean, I can change everything up, obviously. So be sure to subscribe and make sure you follow my videos to see what kind of options I'm doing. And go over to my Patreon account. Hopefully you can go over there and check that stuff out too as additional content that I have. Alright guys, so be sure to subscribe and like this video, and watch for my next US Steel options trade. Thanks for watching.